the undried papaya, the young papaya. So it will be like so it will be like crunchy. And then the black one here looks scary, right? This one is the beef jerky. Yeah.
Okay.
The beef jerky, like the dry beef, and then the orange one is the shrimp cracker.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
And we have Thai basil, peanut, and a chili sauce on top. But then the spirit of this one is about the salt at the bottom. So that salt made by the vinegar, sugar, garlic, soy sauce, cinnamon, and the star anise. Yeah. So
Okay.
with this one, you need to mix everything, and then you can enjoy with it.
And what's this called again?
The green papaya salad with the
Green-
beef jerky.
Green papaya salad with the beef jerky.
Okay. Can I have you to mix everything?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. Okay. So then you need to mix with the salt at the bottom.
Mix everything. Okay.
Mm. Yeah. So you see like the shop here. I will show you like the other side as well. Oh, sorry.
That's okay.
And they opened this one for 50 years, 3 generations, and selling only this one, and very famous.
Oh.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
Here you can have
Thank
it.
you.
So, and the sticky rice a little heavy for your stomach. So I think it will be better if we. So it will be better if we take away this one, and then we have the first main dish is the beef noodle soup.
Okay.
After that one, then you can try this.
Okay.
So,
And what's this called again?
Yeah, the banana sticky rice.
Banana sticky
Yeah,
rice.
So let me introduce you. You see that one? So then in the middle is the fresh banana. They wrap outside the sticky rice and then cover by the banana leaf and they grill on the charcoal to take the smoky flavor. It's not the same one that I said yesterday. Oh. But not the fried one. Not the fried one. Wine. Oh yeah, yeah. He will also do the same. He will grill it and then you eat with coconut cream. The frog main course and the Vietnamese name of last one is bún bò Huế. So bún it means noodle, bò it means beef, and Huế is the center of Vietnam, where did this original come from.
Okay.
Yeah. So then like Huế also is the old capital, and the current one now is Hanoi. So you know that like to cook this one, the vendor have to do slow cook for 10 hours. They cook with the beef bone, pork bone, onions, lemongrass, pineapple, and fermented shrimp paste. Yeah.
Wow.
For 10 hours. And then
That's for making a soup.
yeah, to making the soup. Like here that you know in Vietnam we have at least like 10 kind of different noodle soup. So to make each of that very special, we have to focus on how to make the soup because that's like the spirit of that dish. So then that's why the soup here they will cook for many hours and they take the sweetness from the bone and from the onion, the vegetable. They don't want to put a lot of sugar into that. That's why we also cook with the pineapple. Yeah. Okay, here we have the jasmine tea for you.
Jasmine tea.
The jasmine tea here like in the south is like a complimentary like drink for you. So it's like welcome drink for free. You can have it easy everywhere. But actually it's no tax. For us that's one is like to wash our mouth when you have the dishes. Ai có mà làm gì hết thôi. That's a good way. Yeah. So here you will see we have the chopstick over here, and then you can take it. So you see on top the soup I already tell you, right? And then on top we have with the big meat. We have the white one made from pork, like the pork sausage, and the orange one is the crab cake.
Okay.
The green one here is the water spinach with the bean sprout. For this one, you can put into your bowl, have it together with the noodles.
Okay.
And now he making the dipping sauce for you. The dipping sauce made from the original fish sauce. It will be salty and smelly. That's why to balance it, he will mix with the lamb juice for you. And if you like spicy, we also have the chili oil. But this one,
For
very
spicy.
So we just put a little.
This one not too spicy.
Which one is really spicy?
Yeah, this one.
And that one, ah.
Maybe it's up for you.
That like you need to stand one side, and then like you turn on the scooter like this, and then you wheel with the engine, okay? So then you wheel with them easier to run with that. Yeah.
So they got the motorbike on.
But you don't
Okay.
ride it, okay?
They just stored the motorbike in the apartment.
Yeah, but when I work,
Wow.
During the nights, there is no scooters here in the street.
yeah. Like normally you see some of the houses like this. So they will park on the scooter inside.
Inside, okay.
Yeah, and then they will lock the door. Like when I was a kid, I used to live here. So trust me, so many kids they will try to slide down from the top to the bottom. Really fun. It did not good for your butt, but it's fun. One is down low. No, they have the brake. That's why like the scooter if you want to be here, you have to make sure that your scooter. Otherwise, I don't.
So with these businesses here, people live in the apartments and have their business here. And then of course the laundry. So far the food's been very good. So this is quite a nice, it's a motorbike food tour is what I'm on. So I'm just kind of recording what I can. And this is my tour guide. She's the one riding the motorbike for me. So speaks English, so she speaks English very, very well. So this is the motorbike street food tour. So this is all strictly street food. So off to the next one.
Into that, it made from the rye flour, wheat flour, coconut milk, and the turmeric powder. That's why they have the yellow color.
Okay.
And then in the middle, see we put like the shrimp,
Uh-huh.
the pork belly, mung bean, and bean sprout.
Okay.
Yeah, and that's the big one.
Okay.
I will order like one of each. So
Yeah, that's
one
like
for
a-
each of you. No,
Yep,
just kidding.
that's
Not
big.
the
That's
not the
big.
one.
It's like a big omelet.
Yeah. So you see the shrimp over there? They still have like shell, tail, head. That one is for the local people.
Okay.
The local people, they eat everything. You can say that because back to the world that like we have a difficult life. So then we have to eat everything. We don't waste anything.
Right, don't waste nothing.
The other reason that we believe the shell, the tail, the skin, it's good for your bone. That's why you eat that one.
Oh, okay.
order for you, I order one that they peel everything already.
Okay,
So
I will try.
it cleans, don't worry. And the Vietnamese name of this one is Banh xèo.
Banh xèo.
Yeah, Banh xèo. So Banh, you see over there, the Banh, B-A-N-H. So when you see Banh,
Banh xèo pancake.
it can be like rye flour, wheat flour, sunflower flour, and xèo. So you see the lady, when she pour the liquid into the pan, you hear the scissor sound, like like that. So that's what in Vietnamese is xèo. So Banh xèo, it means the rice pancake with the scissor sound.
Okay.
All right, so if you are ready, you can take photo video and then we go inside.
Okay, so there you have it. Banh xèo pancake. And there's 3 people on my group. So one person from Sweden, he's Mongolian, and another girl is from Myanmar. So and me for the tour. Really cool.
So I will introduce you one of this
Okay.
and the way how to do it.
So we eat with our hands.
I make it like a mess. Okay. So now, so you okay with one of the leaf, right?
Okay.
Alright, so here you see we have mustard lettuce on the top and the mint here. First, we will take like the crispy part. Put into there. And then you put the pork and the shrimp. With the bean sprout. Yeah. You take the blanket for that part. Like this. And then you press it. And you will make a roll with this.
Okay. Very good. Ta-da.
So it should be like this. And
Okay.
then you can dip into the sauce and you have it.
Okay.
Like,
More!
they can sell 4,000 to 5,000 per day. Only bread.
4,000 to 5,000.
For the banh mi,
Per day.
yeah, per day. And for the banh mi, they can sell like 500 banh mi per day.
Wow.
This is what we call it. All the way then watch it.
Banh mi.
In the morning, that like sometimes like if you go to work but you are being late, you don't have time to have the noodle soup. You order this, you drive in one hand, the other hand you can have it.
Yeah.
That's what I did. So what's the difference? Different style. But then like the same. But the white one is fully soft. So then this one is fully outside and soft inside. This one is fully soft. So I'll have one. I want to say no more. Okay. This is have one.
Okay.
You can hold the bottom.
Yep, got it.
You can take photos.
Okay.
Thank you. No, I'm good.
24 hours a day, flowers.
flour musket. Let's have the pork curry, shrimp, and noodle, and lettuce.
Okay. Spring roll.
Yeah, spring roll.
Okay.
And you dip to this sauce. This is the soy sauce, but they make it look like this. Yeah, thick.
Okay.
And we got some peanuts on the top and some beans. It's like papaya and carrots.
White carrot.